As you can see, for a little while now, I've been in a slump. Right now, I am laying on an unmade bed with a Squishmallow as my pillow, and don't get me wrong, this is okay, but this is not what I would normally do. I literally stayed up until 3 a.m. this day, editing a YouTube video and not prioritizing my sleep, making me sleep basically all day. So in this video, you are going to see me try and get out of a slump. So let's do this together before the new year.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a getting out of a slump vlog. I have not been feeling the best lately and I just want to figure out how to get out of this together. So right now, my bed is not made. I stayed up until around 3 a.m. editing a YouTube video because I don't know how to time manage my life right now due to my accounting job, and I am just not in the best of routines right now, even though I'm trying really hard to be. There are certain days where I'm like, okay, I got this. My motivation is up to the highest levels. I get up, I go to the gym, I do so good. And those are mainly the days that I film. However, there is a lot of days also that my motivation is not good, especially when I don't really have a routine that's set and perfect. And a lot of that is because I'm transitioning from not really ever working in a corporate world to working in one. If you don't know, I'm an accountant and I work at a big 4 company, and where I'm very grateful. It's still very stressful, so I'm trying to still get adjusted to the transition. So with all that being said, I'm in a slump. I stayed up till 3 a.m. editing. I slept on no sheets and no pillows, just a Squishmallow before. So with all that being said, we're running on very low energy right now, but I'm going to try to improve that throughout this video. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night and we're just going to get out of this slump together. So I think the first thing that I want to do is make my bed. I think that would be a good place to start, because normally I would say wake up early, do this, do that, but I didn't even sleep in a bed with sheets on it. So let's fix that.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby.
The bed is made and now I'm honestly going to go to sleep. I am so tired, and I feel like a really big part of getting out of a slump is listening to your body, and if it's telling you that you need sleep, you should get sleep. So I'm going to finish this video when I wake up. So I will see you guys in a little bit because I'm going to listen and I'm gonna get some sleep. From my little slumber, and I did my skincare. Skincare is something I've been trying to really take in more seriously. So basically what I did is I always splash my face with cold water in the morning, especially when I'm trying to stay in a routine, just because it really helps wake me up naturally. And then I obviously brushed my teeth and just put my hair up and kind of just got it out of my face so I can do what I need to do. And then I did my little gua sha and face roller just because I love those things. Ever since I've been doing it, it has been something that has really helped me, so it's something I like to implement into my routine. And then I just put some lip gloss on to keep my lips moisturized. With all that being said, now we are going to get right into tidying up my apartment. I'm someone who has realized that whenever I allow myself to tidy up my apartment, it just helps me stay organized and helps me stay into a routine and kind of get out of a slump because everything looks very organized. So that's what we're going to do. I have to fold the wash. I just have to clean some dishes. It's not going to be too much of tidying up because my apartment isn't that messy, but that is something I like to do when first waking up in the morning because it allows me to be productive and also just feel good in the space that I'm working in. And then also right now I'm going to open the shades because natural light is something I know helps me. So I'm going to get some natural light into my apartment.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning.
Alright, now that all my cleaning is done, I just feel a lot more put together. I feel like my apartment has a nice vibe to it, and that's really what I was going for. So after that, I like to do some type of physical activity. This could mean going to the gym, Pilates, Orange Theory, a workout class, just going on a walk, just something that will get my body moving and something that I personally enjoy doing. So it's important to remember that when you're trying to get out of a slump, it's important to do things that resonate with you and things that are going to make you feel happy, because in my opinion, getting out of a slump should go hand in hand with making yourself happy and making yourself feel motivated. And if you don't do something that you love, then I just feel like it will be a little harder to get out of that slump. So I'm gonna go do some type of physical activity, probably just go on the treadmill and do some lifting, because that's what brings me joy, and then we will take it from there. But that is something I really like to implement into these routines, especially when I'm not feeling the best, because it really does help me feel better. Workout. I'm going to take a body shower for the day because it's not hair washing day, and that's something I've really been trying to implement into my routine, is not washing my hair every day, because I know it's healthier for it. So I'm going to take a body shower and then probably use like some dry shampoo just to get the sweat out of my hair, and then I'm going to get ready. After I do all of this in the morning, I really like to allow myself to have a little bit of time to just get some work done, meaning I'm going to journal, and I'm also going to film another video I have to film and just get some other work done. So I'm going to take a shower, quickly get ready, and then go do that. Journaling is something I'm very passionate about, and I feel like is something that really helps me get out of a slump. When I say journaling in this sense, I mean writing down everything that is to heart, if that makes sense, and basically just explaining why I was so upset and why I was in a slump, and kind of just like putting it out there and letting it go. If you are able to do it, at least for that time while you're journaling, it will really help you, and it will help you feel motivated, and it helps me, so that's why I'm sharing it. So that's what I'm going to do there, and then I'm also going to just film another video that I have to get up this week. And yeah, so with all that being said, let's start with my shower.
Let's go.
8 AM, I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause
Hair is done, and I'm going to go into journaling now. I have my makeup done, I have my hair done, I just curled it. I'm gonna go film my other video. I just finished doing my little bit of filming that I had to do for my other video, and now I'm going to go journal. Going more into journaling, right now I'm just going to write down why I'm in a slump. I'm going to reflect on the good and also write down what I need to change in order to feel better about myself. So let's go do that.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care.
I just finished doing my journaling, and I really do feel a lot better. Like I said, doing this really allows me to resonate with what's making me upset and just makes me feel a lot better. This one piece of my hair will not stay curled for anything, and it's making me so mad, so just ignore that. But now finally I get to have my coffee, so I'm going to make a coffee, and I got some creamers from Target, so I'm going to put some of that in there. I've also been trying to make more stuff at home just so I can save some money and not always spend everything that I'm spending at Target. But with that being said, all the products that I'm using
using are from Target. So as we can see, that didn't really go over well. But I'm gonna make my coffee and just allow myself to watch something while drinking the coffee. After I do all of that, the next thing I really need to do is probably go to Target and just get some food for my apartment. There's a lot of things that I have not been having at my apartment, so I have to do that and to get some other things as well. So we're gonna go do that and then I'll come back on. I also love Target, so it works. I just went to Target and I got some stuff. I got the Neutrogena makeup wipes because I've been needing these for so long. I also got 2 of these little things. So I got the watermelon immunity one and then I got the ginger immunity boost as well. So I'm gonna try these a little later. And then something I also really like to do for getting out of a slump is to do something I love, and that's baking. So I got this little frosting because I'm going to make cookies. So I'm gonna go home now and we're gonna make some cookies. I don't know if I can do this. Obviously a lot later now. Please excuse my hair. I've been editing this video actually for hours because I wanted to get it up for tomorrow, but I made snowman cookies. They did not come out the way I thought they were going to be. They were supposed to be a sugar cookie with basically like frosting that I made that you drizzle on it, and it was supposed to be like a melted snowman. So you cut a marshmallow in half and have half the marshmallow on the cookie and then put like eyes and a scarf and buttons for the snowman. The cookie was too hot, I think, and the frosting just melted off completely, and it just didn't look good because the cookies kept breaking. But the point of the video was to just do something I love, and I really liked it. I think that doing something you love can also remind you that there is time for you in a day, and even though there is stuff that you need to do, there's also things that you can get done that you want to do. So that's personally why I like to do that. All in all, I really do feel more put together. I think that from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, I did make a lot of progress, and I did do a lot of things for my accounting job as well today that I needed to get done. So I did things for YouTube, I did things for my accounting job, I did things for me, and I did things that I'm actually looking forward to. So today I actually booked a trip to Cancun, and I'm going in June with Chad. I am so excited, and this is just something that is going to help me when I have something that I can genuinely look forward to, and it could be the smallest thing. It could be me going to spend some time with family, or going to see Chad, or going to see my friends. It could be literally anything. When I have something to look forward to, I get very motivated into doing everything I need to do and just getting it done very fast but productively. So just thinking about this trip and how much fun it's going to be also is helping me get out of that slump, because it's bringing me my motivation back to want to get things done. It's because I want to have the best time on the trip, so I know that I need to get out of my slump, get things done, and then when I go to the trip, I'll be like, wow, I earned this. I'm proud of myself, I deserve it. But with that being said, I'm going to close out the video now. I'm just gonna go finish editing this video and go to sleep. The last step of my getting out of a slump routine is to go to sleep early and fix my sleep schedule, so that's what we're going to do. Right now it's only 10 p.m. That's still not awful. I was going to bed at 3 a.m. so I'm gonna try to go to sleep at 12 a.m. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next one. Bye.